Second rule, z is function of UVW and UVW function of xy. Then what is gamma z by gamma x? Always first write down this equation, sorry, this relation. Always first write down this relation and then easy derivative of z with respect to x, derivative of z with respect to y. Then easy find derivative of z with respect to x with respect to y. What is delta z by delta x? Here u and v two variables. Here u, v, w three variables. Here two variables. That's why addition of two terms. Here three variables. So addition of three terms. And which three terms? What is first?
delta z upon delta u.
Delta z by delta u into
delta u by delta x.
Delta u by delta x plus
delta z by delta v.
V into delta v by delta x.
plus
delta z by
delta w into delta w upon delta z.
This is delta z by delta x. Similarly, we can find out delta z by delta y is delta z by w by delta y, delta z by delta v by delta y, and here delta w by delta y. Suppose here again third variable z. Here z, then delta z by w by delta z. Only replace this x by z. With respect to x, here delta x, delta y. With respect to y, delta z. Example, if u equal to f of x minus y minus z, or by z minus x, find w by x plus w by y plus w by z. Here function of x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, not single variable. So first here write down relation. Here u is a function of x, y, z, but before that let x minus y equal to one variable, y minus z equal to another one, and z minus x equal to another one. Suppose x minus y is L, y minus z is M, and z minus x is n. Therefore, u equal to f of L, m, n. U is function of L, m, n, and L equal to x minus y, m equal to y minus z, n equal to z minus x. Meaning is L, m, n are functions of x, y, z. So here u is function of L, m, n, and L, m, n are functions of x, y, z. This relation is important. Then find derivative of u with respect to x first. Don't check what is show that what is find. First find derivative of u with respect to x. Delta u by delta x equal to what is the result? Delta u by delta l into delta m by delta x plus delta u by delta m into delta m by delta x plus w by w m into w n by w x, and find derivatives. W by w l, w by w l, u is function of element, so we can't find w by w l. ते आपण फाइंड करू शकत नाही w by w l. So write down as it is w by w l into wl by wx, derivative of l with respect to x, derivative of l with respect to x, l is x minus y, so derivative of l with respect to x is 1 minus 0, so this is 1. Again keep w by w as it is. What is w m by wx? Derivative of m with respect to x. Here no
Zero.
x, y and z constant. So derivative of w by wx is 0. Plus w by wn into derivative of n with respect to x
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
So this derivative is w by wn minus w by wn. Similarly, what is w by wy? W by wy is w by l, wl by wy plus w by m into w by y plus w by n, wn by y. See again, w by wn as it is. What is derivative of l with respect to y? wl by y
Minus 1.
plus w by wn as it is into derivative of m with respect to y 1
1.
plus w by wn into 0 derivative of n with respect to y. Here no y, so derivative is 0. That is w by minus w by wn plus w by m. This is w by wy. Next, w by z. Write down direct. See, this is w by wx. W by wl minus w by wn, and w by wy is minus w by w by wl. We can write direct w by z. परत सांग.
Minus w by m.
Minus w by
M.
Yan.
not correct. Sorry, here mistake. Here w n. Correct. W by m minus plus w by n. तुम्ही हा रिझल्ट यूज करून फाइंड करू शकता किंवा डायरेक्ट कसं फाइंड करायचं बघा. हियर w by x, find out first find out w by x. Here l and n present, not m. For x, l and n. For y, l, m, here not n, so here cancel l. Here l, n, here l, m. So here m, n, delete l, and sign plus minus. Now addition is, take addition of delta y by delta x plus delta y by delta y plus delta y by delta z is delta y by delta n minus delta y by delta n is minus delta y by delta n plus delta y by delta m minus this delta y by delta z is minus delta y by delta n plus delta y by delta n. Addition is 0. Addition is 0. Understand? Second example. If u equal to f of e raised to x minus y, comma e raised to y minus z, comma e raised to z minus x. Same here. And delta u by delta x only. And delta u by delta x only. Again, let e raised to x minus y equal to n. E raised to y minus z is m, and e raised to z minus x is n. So u is function of LMN, that is u function of LMN and LMN function of XYZ. Then W by WN is, you can change element, use PQR, any variables, use LMN, PQR, ABC. So W by WN is W by Wx is W by Wn into Wn by Wx plus W by Wm into Wn by Wx plus W by Wn into Wn by Wx. W by Wn write down as it is. What is derivative of n with respect to x?
e raised to minus x, e raised to x minus y.
E raised to x minus y plus W by Wm as it is derivative of m with respect to x.
0.
0.
M here no x, so derivative 0 plus W by Wm as it is derivative of n with respect to x
Raised to z minus x.
e raised to x
into
minus 1.
minus 1. So this is W by Wx. Similarly, we can find W by Wy, W by Wz. Next example. If x equal to root VW, y equal to root UW, z equal to root UB, and phi is function of XYZ, so that phi x is y, phi y, z, phi z equal to u phi u y phi y z phi z. Phi x means derivative of phi with respect to x. Phi u delta phi by delta u, phi z delta phi by delta z. Here given that phi is function of x y z, phi is function of x y z, and x y z functions of u v w, because x equal to v w, y equal to u w, z equal to u v. So u v x y z are functions of u v w. So first, what find first? First काय find करायचं?
du by dx.
फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय फाइंड करायचं? Always first find derivative of phi with respect to last variables. Don't see what show that, what find. काय show that करायचं, काय find करायचं हे महत्वाचं नाही. First write down this relation and then find. First always first delta phi by delta u, then delta phi by delta v, and then delta phi by delta w, and then check what is question LHS RHS, then find RHS. This delta phi by delta means phi u, this is phi v, this is phi w. So delta phi by delta u is delta phi by delta x into delta x by delta u. Delta phi by delta x, delta x by delta u plus delta phi by delta y into delta y by delta u plus delta phi by delta z into delta z by delta u. This is formula for delta phi by delta u or phi u. What are the derivatives? Delta phi by delta x. Write down as it is because no phi in terms of x y, no any function. Phi is not in terms of x y, direct function. So write down delta phi as it is, that is phi x. Delta phi by delta x, write down as it is, and delta x by delta u. Derivative of x with respect to u. X is root vw. What is derivative?
0.
0. Plus this is phi y into derivative of y with respect to u.
1 upon 2 into root u into
1
v.
upon 2 uw into
W. W.
w plus delta phi by delta z is phi z into 1 upon 2 root uv into v, that is here w divided by 2 root uw phi y, v divided by 2 root uv phi z. Again simplify here w divided by uw. Again simplify. This root u into v, that is root u into root v, root u into root w.
y पुट करते हैं इधर.
Okay, 1 minute. This is phi u. Okay, phi u समजलं तुम्हाला. Now check this right side. phi u we have find here, but u multipliers. So multiply both sides by u. Multiply both sides. Multiply by u. So u phi u is u into w divided by 2 into root uw pi y plus uv 2 into root uv pi z. So uw divided by root uw सिंप्लिफाय केलं तर काही नाही.
1/2 root UW.
नाही रूट यू डब्ल्यू येईन फक्त अपॉन 2.
Root UW by 2.
Correct. See, x upon root x. X upon root x is, write down this x is root x into root x. Divide root x as it is. So one root x cancel. So x by root x is root x. Similarly, uw divided by root uw is root uw. And this is root ub. So u phi u is root uw divided by 2 pi x plus root uv divided by 2 pi z. But uw root uw is x. Given that x equal to root uw, so this is x by 2 or 1 by 2 into x pi x, and uv root uv is z pi z. This is u pi u. हे सिम्प्लिफाय केलं आपण, हे u ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं. So that करायसाठी आपल्याला लिमिट लक्षात घ्या. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट डेबा phi by डेबा u, then multiply u. First find u डेबा phi u, then find y into डेबा phi by डेबा y. Before that, first find out derivatives only, then multiply u here. Sorry, here u v w. Right.
सर UW y आहे का x आहे?
ये मिस्टेक झाली. u v w असं पाहिजे. u डेबा phi by डेबा u plus v into डेबा phi by डेबा v plus w डेबा phi by डेबा w, that is phi w. So that मध्ये हे पाहिजे. First find out derivative, then multiply both sides by u. Similarly, second find out डेबा phi by डेबा v, multiply both sides by v, but not necessary. First only find phi u into phi u. First find u into phi u, direct write down second and third v phi v and w phi w.
Sir, UW ची व्हॅल्यू
y
y
y
आहे ना?
Why आहे का?
अच्छा.
हा रूट UW ची व्हॅल्यू y आहे.
u v ची काय आहे?
UV ची z च आहे.
झेड
w ची y आहे का?
हो.
नाही ना. सॉरी इकडे माझी मिस्टेक. y घेतलं, इकडे जो y घ्यायचं राहिलं. करेक्ट. This is phi y. Correct. This is y, phi y, and this 2, denominator 2 is 1 by 2. So direct write down v डेबा phi by डेबा v. For u, here no x. See sequence u v w x y z. Remember sequence this. First u x v y w z. So for u, here no x. So for v, no y. For w, no z. बघा ही सिक्वेन्स तुम्हाला हे फाइंड करून तर येणारच आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करचाल, b ने मल्टिप्लाय करचाल, w ने मल्टिप्लाय करचाल, ते फाइंड करचाल, पण तुमचा वेळ वाचेल. तुम्ही हे एकावरून हे दोन्ही फाइंड करू शकता. From this one we can find these two derivatives directly. This is 1 by 2 x phi x plus 1 by 2 z phi z. This is 1 by 2 x phi x, 1 by 2 y phi y. तुम्ही फाइंड करू शकता, चेक करू शकता. देन शो दॅट मध्ये आपल्याला हे जे फाइंड केलं आपण हे राइट साइडला आहे, राइट साइडला आहे. पण फर्स्ट काय करायचं, राइट साइड फाइंड करू. सो RHS इक्वल टू u phi u v phi p w phi w is. बघा ऍडिशन सगळ्यांची करायची. u phi u plus v phi v plus w phi w सगळ्यांची ऍडिशन केली. दिस ऍडिशन. So this 1 by 2 pi pi y and this 1 by 2 y pi y. Here z pi z, z pi z, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1. Here 1 by 2x, 1 by 2x pi x is x pi x, y pi y, z pi z. This is LHS. फक्त एक साइड फाइंड करा, तुमची दुसरी येईल. शो दॅट काय करायचं, त्याच्या अगोदर काय करायचं, रिलेशन घ्यायचं आणि रिलेशन वरनं काय डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करायचं ते बघायचं. फर्स्ट आणि लास्ट व्हेरिएबल घ्यायचं. समजलं? Next example, if u equal to f of rs, where r equal to x square minus y square, x square plus y square, sorry, and s equal to x square minus y square. Show that y w by x plus x w by y equal to 4xy w by r. Show that काय हे नंतर बघायचं. First write down relation. U is function of rs and rs function of xy. Relation u is function of rs and r equal to xy, s equal to xy. So r and s functions of xy. So find here w by x and w by y. So for this result is w by r into w r by x plus derivative of u with respect to r and derivative of r with respect to x plus derivative of u with respect to x and derivative of s with respect to x. Some derivative w by r as it is, because write down this is f dash. Derivative of u with respect to r is write down f dash, but write down as it is w by r. And derivative of r with respect to x. R is x square plus y square, so derivative is 2x plus w by s into derivative of s with respect to x again
2x.
2x. This is w by x. But in show that w by x multiplier is y. So here multiply both sides by y. multiply both sides by y. So this 2x into this y, so 2xy double u by double r plus again 2xy double u by double s. This is one term. Find double u by double x into y. Similarly, find this double u by double y. Now double u by double y is the direct sum double u by double r as it is into double r by double x, but here double u by double y. So find double r by double y. Double r by double y 2y plus double u by double s, and derivative of s with respect to y is minus 2y. Again here x multiplier. So here multiply both sides by x. Therefore x double u by double y equal to 2y and this x. So this is 2xy double u by double r. Here minus 2xy double u by double s. In here show that this addition. So find addition. Check this addition is this 2xy double u by double r, and this 2xy double u by double r, 2xy 4xy double u by double r, and this is minus and this is plus, cancel. So addition is 4xy double u by double r. So that मध्ये काय दिले double u by double x into y. So first find double u by double x and then multiply both sides by y. Similarly find double u by double y, then multiply both sides by x, and then take addition. See here plus 2xy, here plus 2xy, here minus 2xy double u by double x, plus and this minus, cancel. So this 2xy double u by double r and this 2xy double u by double r is right side, 4xy double u by double r. समझलं? हे सगळे असेच एक्झाम्पल आहेत. त्याच्यात तुम्हाला खूप सोपं आहे, फक्त ते रिलेशन महत्वाचं आहे. त्या रिलेशन नंतर तुम्हाला कोणतं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करायचं हे समजतं. इथे आपलं थर्ड युनिट संपतोय. अशाच टाइपचे सगळे एक्झाम्पल आहेत.
तर क्लासरूमवर एमसीक्यू टाकतात का तुम्ही?
काय म्हणता?
एमसीक्यू सर म्हणजे ह्याचे पार्शियल डिफरन्शिएशन.
हा
एमसीक्यूज त्याचे सर म्हणजे क्लासरूमवर शेअर केलेत का?
नाही आज करतो, आज नाही उद्या, 1-2 दिवसात करतो.
ओके सर.
फोर्थ युनिट पण याच्यासारखाच आहे, ऍप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ पार्शियल डिफरन्शिएशन.
जरा एक दिवस मला पुसायचा आहे निवांत बसून लॅपटॉप. लय दूर बसले.
आवाज बंद करा. ऍप्लिकेशन्स फोर्थ युनिट. पार्शियल डिफरन्शिएशन. One topic, Jacobian. Jacobian is a determinant. This is a determinant of derivatives. Determinant of derivatives. Derivative of two variables with two independent or more than two independent variables. Derivative of two variables with 2 or 3 variables. derivative of 3 variables with another 3 variables. Means derivative of uv with respect to xy, or derivative of r theta with respect to xy, or derivative of xy with respect to uv, any 2 variables xy, uv, r theta, derivative of 2 variables with respect to xy, derivative of r theta with respect to xy. This is notation J for Jacobian. How to find this Jacobian? Jacobian is determinant. If two variable, pair of 2 variables, here uv one pair, xy is another pair. So here determinant is 2 by 2. Now 3 variables u, v, w with respect to x, y, z, then here determinant 3 by 3. 9 entries, here 4 entries, and determinant is here derivative of uv with respect to xy, Jacobian for 2 variables uv with respect to xy is delta u by delta x. First, derivative of u with respect to x and derivative of u with respect to y. First row, derivative of u. First row, derivative of u. Second row, derivative of v. With respect to y. Similarly, for 3 variable, determinant
Dab by u by dab by x. Dab by v by dab by x.
first row derivative of u. Second row derivative of v. Third row derivative of w with respect to x, y, z. This is Jacobian. And for this Jacobian, find this derivative, and Jacobian is find derivative. And usual this multiplication minus this multiplication. Same here. जसं determinant solve करतो आपण तसंच इकडे find करायचं असतं. Determinant मध्ये तुम्हाला इकडे determinant मध्ये row operations, column operations use करावे लागतात. R1 plus R2, R1 minus R2, C1 plus C2, C1 minus C3, 2C1 म्हणजे कॉन्स्टंट ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचे, ऍडिशन करायचे, हे करू शकता. सपोज answer of this first row A, second 2, 3, 4, and last B. Answer of this determinant is 0. Any 2 A common here, then here 1, here 1, here 1. B common, so A into B, here also 1, 1, 1. So R1 and R3 same, then determinant is 0. Any 2 rows or any 2 columns are same, then determinant is 0. All entries of one row or one column are 0, then determinant 0. All entries are 0 of one row or one column, then determinant is 0. Any 2 rows or columns are identical, then determinant also 0. Means any 2 rows or any 2 columns are same, then determinant is 0. See example, E equal to x minus y, v equal to xy. Find delta u v del by uv with respect to xy. See determinant del by u by del by x, del by u by del by y, del by v by del by x, del by v by del by y. What are the derivatives? What is del by u by del by x? Derivative.
1 minus y.
Derivative of this x minus y, or this simplify u is x minus xy, then find derivative with respect to x is 1 minus y. Derivative of u with respect to y, derivative of this with respect to y. Sanga derivative with respect to y.
0.
Derivative of u with respect to y, this x constant derivative is 0, but here
0.
so derivative is 1 and this minus x as it is, so this is minus x derivative. Similarly, derivative of v with respect to x, derivative of v with respect to x,
Y.
y, and derivative of v with respect to y, x.
X.
To solve this determinant, so this 1 minus y into x, that is x into 1 minus y, this minus x into y, here minus, but here y into minus x, so that's why plus.
Plus xy.
Simplify.
X येते सर, x येते नुसतं. X minus xy plus xy. X.
Answer is x. असे क्वेश्चन्स तुम्हाला ऑनलाइन लिहायचे किंवा find del by xy divided by del by u. How to find this? For this, don't find determinant. For these two equations, find this determinant. And for this derivative, this Jacobian, answer is, this means write down 1 upon del by uv with respect to xy. That is answer is 1 upon x. क्वेश्चन मध्ये जरी तुम्हाला हे xy चं with respect to uv जरी विचारलं तरी first find out this and reciprocal of this is this answer. So del by uv with respect to xy answer is x and del by xy with respect to uv answer is 1 upon x, the reciprocal of this. And if this is j notation, here u in terms of xy, v in terms of xy, so this notation is the j and reciprocal is notation j dash. For uv with respect to xy, notation is j and reciprocal of this is notation j dash. म्हणजे u आणि v तर तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट फाइंड करता येते because u in terms of xy, v in terms of xy, so uv with respect to xy is simple. uv with respect to xy is simple. Don't find x equal to y equal to, not simple. Given that u equal to v equal to, so find out del by uv with respect to xy. ह्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला xy फाइंड करता येईल, पण फाइंड करू नका. तुम्ही म्हणता ह्याच्यासाठी आपण डिटर्मिनंट घेऊ, ह्याच्यावरून x फाइंड करू, ह्या दोन इक्वेशन सॉल्व करून xy फाइंड करू. गरज नाही. uv with respect to xy फाइंड करा आणि हे फाइंड करण्यासाठी त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेतला तरी चालतो. Second, u equal to x square minus y square. तुम्ही सॉल्व करा. v is 2xy. Find again here del by xy with respect to uv. u equal to x square minus y square, v equal to 2xy, and find del by xy with respect to del by u. But here u is in terms of xy, v is in terms of xy, so use this determinant. Find first del by UV with respect to xy. Means find this determinant. Del by UV with respect to xy. काय ते आन्सर सांगा. UV with respect to x फाइंड करा, नंतर त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल घ्या. किती आला आन्सर?
1/4 into x square plus y square.
1/4. 1/4 u.
1/4.
See here. Find out del by x. It's 2x. Del by y minus 2y. Derivative of v with respect to x 2y. Derivative with respect to y 2x. Determinant is 4x square plus 4y square. That is 4 common x square plus y square. This is del by uv with respect to xy. But question is find del by xy with respect to uv. So take reciprocal. So answer of this is 1/4 into x square plus y square. Okay.